Okay, now software is open. Okay, so first of all we will go with that chamfer operation again. Just it's opening. Okay, done. Our coordinate and everything is available. So what we are going to do, we are going to take a rectangular block. Okay, you can take it 2D or a 3D because we were running that 2D problem. Okay, so I'll take that rectangle today. Okay, and we will take it at that coordinate, that is center, and after that you can give it 100 by 100 mm. Okay, so this is it, and after that you can just click on that and click here on the center. After that geometry is done. Now just click OK, and after that we are going to convert it to a solid model. So just click on that extrude. It's going to ask you for a chain, so just give it, and the direction, try to get it clockwise direction always. So just do it. Okay, so right now it is asking for that height. It's quite high, so you just rotate it and flip the direction of that component, and I'll take it like 20 mm. Okay, so and just click OK. Now we are going to perform that chamfer operation on it. Okay, 3D. So it's going to ask you about the edges. Okay, I'll take this edge, this edge, this and this, and just do it. Okay, and give, there is 2 mm of chamfer. Okay, so it's going to cut 2 mm material from that chamfer. So you can take according to that job description or the drawing you get from your company. Yeah, so here we are giving 2 mm only. Just do it. Okay, so now I want to cut the chamfer. Okay, so this is my chamfer, and obviously for that we will go for that machining. We'll go default, that similar way we did in that previous operations. So here what we need to do is we are going to choose that contour again. It's going to ask you that profile for chamfer. So we are going to choose this profile. The direction is fine, otherwise if the anti-clockwise direction is there, you can basically do it clockwise. Okay, so it will take that operation if it is going to be anti-clockwise also, but the direction you need to define in the tool path. So just do it. Okay, after that obviously in that contour, first thing was my tool. Okay, so the tool was chamfer. Okay, so you can select you can say none, and after that you can select this and just click on OK, and then define your tool. You will get these all. Yesterday also I told you this is your 10 mm dia and 45-degree angle. Okay, so here basically when we are going to add it, these two specifications are going to be inside the tool also. Just do it. Okay, so now here you can say basically these are the specifications of the tool. Now the most important thing when we need to define, no, that is your cutting parameters. If that holder you want to define, no, holders are basically specifically a lot of holders are there. It's not too much important for us. Okay, holder can be decided. So cutting parameters I told you. Okay, we need to take 2D chamfer. Here we need to define it. The chamfer was of 2 mm, so I'll give 2 mm, and this is the height. You can basically define more also according to your requirement. Okay, so these compensations are going to remain same. Okay, these are default fine. We are going to give it computer left side, that compensation direction, and tip is going to be, otherwise there is center, but center I told you why we are not going to keep, it's going to be above then. So we are going to take the tip, and I told you there is no need of that stock material. Okay, we are going to give it 0, because for that chamfer 2 mm material, one time it is going to cut. So depth of cut and other things I told you, we don't need to give multi passes. We need to define the linking parameters over here. In linking parameter, depth we will not give. I told you already, we have given in that cutting parameters. So you can take that clearance for that is 50 mm, and retraction basically is going to come back, and rest you can do it all absolute. Okay, we are going to define it all absolute, no problem in that. Now you can just click OK. Okay, just do it. Okay, you will see your tool basically is moving in that direction. Okay, outside even you can check it out like on 3D part also. Okay, first we will check the tool path. Okay, let's check the tool path first. So even right now, no, you can do that front view or something like that. It's going to show you more clearly. Okay, you can fit on that component. Yeah, now it is fine. So you can just play and you can see how that tool is going to cut that material. That is basically how it is coming from that opposite side. Okay, now it is going to cut this material also. You see, operation is done. Now let me show you. This is retraction and coming back to its home position. We will go to that 3D now. You can just click over here. Okay, so you can basically define that position, that is your isometric or something like that. Okay, so you can see now clearly. So it has taken little bit, that stock is outside, huh? That line you can see, no? Yeah, it has taken little outside. So no worries. Let's see, this extra material basically is according to that I have given. Let's check first, then we will correct if some issues are going to be there. Just click over here. Can you see? So there, no, that extra material is given. This is my 100 by 100 block. Now you can see here, this one, no, exactly it has cut that height and that 3 mm chamfer. Is it fine? Yeah. So actually, in that case, no, there were a lot of operation to be done. Only internal that circular edge when you are going to do, no. So what is going to happen? Obviously, in that circle, that material is going to remain. So that's why, according to that diameter of that tool, no, it was cutting opposite side also. So that's why you are feeling like that it is cutting that wrong way. Okay. So this is basically your simple 2D chamfer operation. Okay. So I'm just closing this and I'm deleting this operation from here. Just give me a second. Huh?